Welcome to the Review Scout, where we bring you unbiased insights and trusted recommendations. Today, we're exploring an AI breakthrough that's changing the way we communicate. Imagine having real-time conversations with an AI that doesn't just chat via text, but actually talks, listens, and responds through live video calls. This isn't the future. It's happening right now with live AI. Most AI assistants today still rely on text-based interactions. You type, wait for a response, and often rephrase your question multiple times just to get the right answer. It's slow, robotic, and sometimes frustrating. But live AI is here to change that. It brings human-like AI interactions to life by allowing you to talk face-to-face with an AI assistant. No more typing, no more waiting. Just speak naturally and get instant, accurate responses. With just 3 simple clicks, you can start a conversation with live AI. First, log into the live AI dashboard from any device. No complex setup required. Next, choose from 10 different AI personalities designed for business, learning, companionship, and more. Then, start your AI video call and experience an interaction that feels as natural as talking to a real person. Whether you need business insights, personal coaching, or language translations, live AI is always ready. Unlike traditional AI models like ChatGPT or Claude, which relies solely on text, live AI provides instant face-to-face video interactions. It supports over 100 languages, making it a game changer for global communication. The AI listens to your voice, understands your tone, and even remembers past conversations, giving you a more personalized experience. For businesses, this AI assistant can handle customer interactions, provide expert advice, and assist with marketing and planning. If you're an entrepreneur, live AI can streamline your workflow, schedule tasks, and manage your calendar effortlessly. Educators and students can use it for real-time tutoring, while freelancers and content creators can utilize it to generate ideas and draft content on the go. Another major advantage is its smart conversation memory. While other AI models forget past interactions, live AI remembers your previous video calls, making every conversation more relevant. It adapts to your voice and style, improving its responses over time. You no longer deal with a basic chatbot. You're engaging with an AI that learns and evolves with you. Security is another strong point. Your conversations with live AI are encrypted, ensuring complete privacy. Many AI services charge high monthly fees for access to advanced features. But with live AI, you get all these capabilities without any recurring costs. It's available at a one-time price, making it one of the most cost-effective AI solutions out there. If you're tired of AI tools that feel disconnected, slow, or unreliable, live AI is the upgrade you've been waiting for. It's 10 times faster, more engaging, and more accurate than standard AI chatbots. With its lifelike avatars, real-time responses, and advanced voice recognition, it delivers an AI experience that feels truly human. Think about how much time and effort you spend tweaking AI prompts just to get useful responses. Live AI eliminates that hassle. Just talk naturally, and the AI understands you instantly. Whether you're conducting market research, learning a new language, or just having a casual conversation, live AI makes the process effortless. Let's talk about who can benefit the most from this revolutionary AI. Entrepreneurs can use it as a business consultant, helping with marketing strategies, customer interactions, and workflow automation. Content creators can use it to generate ideas, plan scripts, and even improve their engagement strategies. Educators and students will find it invaluable for tutoring, language learning, and research assistance. And if you need an AI companion for general conversations, live AI offers that too. Compared to traditional AI models, live AI is ahead in every way. It eliminates the need for manual AI prompting, which is often time-consuming. With AI models like ChatGPT, users have to keep rewording their prompts and adjusting inputs to get a useful response. With live AI, you just talk and get answers instantly, no typing required. The AI market is evolving rapidly. Studies show that AI video interactions have 10 times higher engagement than text-based responses. More people prefer AI that speaks and listens over traditional chatbots. This shift is creating a massive opportunity for businesses and individuals who adopt Live AI now. Whether you want to enhance your personal productivity or grow your business, this tool is designed to give you an edge. Now, let's go over a few practical scenarios. Suppose you're a business owner managing multiple projects. You need quick answers, strategic advice, and seamless communication. Instead of hiring expensive consultants, you can simply start a live video call with Live AI and get expert insights in seconds. If you're a freelancer juggling different clients, this AI assistant can help manage schedules, generate content, and even provide language translations when working with international clients. For educators, Live AI serves as an interactive tutor. It can explain complex concepts, answer questions instantly, and provide learning support in multiple languages. It's like having a personal AI teacher available 24/7. Even travelers can benefit from this AI, as it offers real-time translations to help navigate different languages while abroad. One of the standout features of Live AI is its emotion recognition technology. Unlike chat-based AI models that provide generic responses, this AI detects your tone and adjusts its replies accordingly. This makes interactions feel more natural and engaging. Whether you need business advice, motivation, or just a friendly conversation, Live AI tailors its responses to suit your mood and needs. The best part? You can monetize Live AI. With the included commercial license, you can create and sell AI-powered services, offering AI consultations, automated customer support, and even AI-based content creation. This opens up a whole new revenue stream for marketers, entrepreneurs, and digital creators. If you're wondering whether this AI is right for you, think about how much value it can bring to your daily life. Traditional AI chatbots are becoming outdated, and video-based AI interactions are the future. By adopting Live AI now, you're positioning yourself ahead of the curve. This technology isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution in AI communication. To get started, all you need to do is grab Live AI at its special one-time price before the offer expires. There's no subscription, no hidden costs, just a single payment for lifetime access. If you ever felt frustrated by slow or impersonal AI models, now is the time to switch to a smarter, more human-like AI assistant. So, are you ready to experience the future of AI communication? Say goodbye to outdated chatbots and step into the world of Live AI. Get instant answers, enjoy lifelike interactions, and streamline your tasks effortlessly. The AI revolution is here. Make sure you're part of it. That wraps up today's review on Live AI. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the Review Scout for more in-depth tech reviews. And if you decide to try Live AI, let us know your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.